34.82 degrees Celsius, abnormal body temperature.
Hello, Vivi.
How can I assist you?
Turn on the lights.
The lights have been turned on for you.
Turn off the lights.
The lights have been turned off for you.
Switch the lights.
The lights have been switched for you.
Current temperature.
Displayed.
Humidity.
Displayed.
Turn on the fan.
The fan has been turned on.
Turn off the fan.
The fan has been turned off.
Open the curtains.
The curtains have been opened.
Close the curtains.
The curtains have been closed. Welcome back home.
Hello, Vivi.
Yes.
Current temperature.
The current temperature is 34 degrees Celsius, which is too high. Please take precautions against heat stroke.
Humidity.
The current humidity is 15%, which is low.
Wind speed.
The current wind speed is 0.
Light intensity.
The current light intensity is 1000, indicating sufficient lighting.
Atmospheric pressure.